What the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck did you do? Like, what a fucking Josh! Like, how do you do that? Like, how the fuck do you even do that? How? How do you park your fucking car on top of another? Like, go, I wanna fucking go. Move, 80! What the fuck is going on, bro? Wow! Move, you fuck! What the fuck? Let go around him, bro! Let go around him, bro! What the fuck just happened, bro? Wow! Wow! Bro, am I tripping out? What's going on, cuz? And this car won't move and I'm stuck here. Wow, like, you wanna park your car on top of fucking someone else's car? Call this bloke right here. Who'll park it on your red peas, bros. Wow, what the fuck? How do you even do that, bro? Like, no offense, but the bloke was Asian, to be honest. So no offense to the Asian guys out there, but he was Asian, so I don't know.
They're dragging the car. They don't know what's going on here. Look at that. That's on the freeway going up the Cajon Pass. Oh my God.